Hello, my creative creatures. Today we're doing another bottle birdhouse. And the way that this started was just having my morning cornflakes. I was like, look at this container. It's so white and different. And I have to clean it and turn it into a birdhouse. By the way, this is the book that we're reading today. A quick little rom-com. Anyway, ultimately I decorated it in my normal dotted fashion for no apparent reason, and it's very outlandish for a bird to actually use. I don't anticipate any crazy birds deciding to raise a family in it, but also you never know. And I also had fun doing it. So enjoy the video. It's a quick little video, and don't forget to leave a like. Subscribe for more silly little crafting videos like this. Until next time, bye.